Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide suggested for you on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. You can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, of course, that will actually be your home screen. Here you'll find the posts of the pages that you follow, like, of your friends, and etc. something like that. So if you want to actually hide suggested for you, go to the suggested posts that you want to manage or that you want to hide it. So just keep scrolling down. So this post is sponsored, we're not talking about that. This page, I am liking the page, so it's not suggested for me. Sponsor as well, like the page, I like the page, sponsor, I like the page, I like the page. Wait, let me just go and remove my likes. And yeah, I'm not following this page anymore. Let's go to another one and see if I'm going to get like normal memes or normal like leave group. Okay, now let's just go and refresh. Of course, as you can see now, at the post that is suggested to you, so as you can see, this page is no longer liked by me, so it just suggested for me because I interact with that page lately. So all you need to do, just go and click at the three dots at the top right corner of the post if you want to hide suggested for you. Here you can actually click at hide this post, as you can see fewer posts like this, or you can hide all from this. Let me just go back. So it will hide all the posts from this page, which is Gopher. I don't know what it is. So, or you can just go and click at the X button. It will actually, like, as you can see here, post hiding. So you don't actually need to click at the three dots. So just click at the three dots again. You can actually snooze the post as well if you want, and it will actually hide the suggested for you. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.